Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Ram 2500 in four-wheel drive. Start the engine, set the parking brake, and shift the gearbox to neutral before engaging 4H or 4L. Let the transfer case complete the shift and confirm the 4WD indicator lights on the dash. If you hear grinding, return to neutral and try again gently, staying calm and steady while switching drive modes. Deciding between 4H and 4L depends on terrain and speed, so think ahead about traction needs and load. Engage 4H for wet or snowy roads and higher speed travel, while 4L is for low speed, high torque situations like mud or steep hills. Always reduce speed before shifting and maintain steady throttle during engagement. After the maneuver, monitor handling and disengage 4WD when normal traction returns. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear truck tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while waiting on tow trucks or between roadside repairs, and it's light enough to toss in the glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want a compact reader. Now let's get back to the video. If your Ram 2500 does not enter 4WD smoothly, start with simple checks like confirming neutral and cycling the ignition. Pay attention to noises and avoid forcing the shift lever, as that can damage components. Inspect transfer case fluid level and look for actuator issues if problems persist. When in doubt, consult a mechanic to prevent expensive repairs, and keep service records to track recurring issues and fixes over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.